Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine glasses. First, let's gather our primary ingredients: silica sand, soda ash, and limestone. These raw materials are meticulously measured and blended to ensure a consistent composition. This precise mixture is crucial for the glass's clarity and strength. Next, the prepared batch is transferred into a furnace, where it will undergo a transformative heating process at temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius. Once the raw materials have melted into a molten state, skilled glassblowers gather a precise amount onto a blowpipe. They then begin the intricate process of blowing and shaping the glass. Using a combination of breath, gravity, and specialized tools, the artisan carefully forms the distinct bowl, slender stem, and sturdy base of the wine glass. This stage requires immense precision and experience to achieve the desired elegant form. After the wine glasses are shaped, they undergo a critical process called annealing. This involves slowly cooling the glasses in a specialized oven, which gradually reduces internal stresses that could lead to breakage. This controlled cooling strengthens the glass, making it more durable for everyday use. Finally, the rims are often fire polished to create a smooth, chip-resistant edge, enhancing both safety and drinking comfort. The final stage involves thorough quality control to ensure every wine glass meets high standards. Each glass is meticulously inspected for any imperfections, such as bubbles, scratches, or inconsistencies in shape. Dimensions, clarity, and the overall finish are carefully checked to guarantee a premium product. Only after passing these stringent checks are the approved glasses cleaned, polished, and carefully packaged for distribution to customers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.